record damage to it. I need to maybe take some notes, take some pictures, record some audio. These mobile devices are awesome sensors. So we can use them to collect great information in the field and get that back to people who are managing the organization, managing the process, so that we can do things better and faster in the company. Now, if we're going to put that information into somebody's hands, please don't show me numbers. This is another example of whether it's the drag and drop touchable search, or in this case, help me figure out what I'm looking at. So if I'm in an organization that has lots of different kinds of trucks, and I have no idea what this thing is and the number's worn off, well, show me pictures. Make it visual. Help me identify what I'm looking for. The smarter we can make the apps, knowing what I'm trying to do, and the more visual, the more compelling and easier to use. So make sure you're going very visual with the kind of things you're looking at. So given all of these opportunities in enterprise, how do we start doing that? So whether you're looking at building these for your own organization, you're working with somebody, there's a couple of key steps where mobile is different than web. And specifically, we've got to do a lot of thinking and analysis before we go down that road. We've truly got to understand who is our user. Who's going to use this app? Now, we might say, oh, it's an inventory app. You know, that could be the salesperson. It could be somebody back in the storeroom. It could be some other manager. That's 3 different apps. That's not one app. As soon as you start jumping audiences, you're adding features that I don't need. Apps need to be laser focused on the one person and the one activity. So we have something I call the 5% rule, which is if you think about a system based on the web interface, you get 5% of that web interface in your mobile app. That's it. That usually translates to no more than 3 to 5 things that I will let a user do. That's it. If you go more than that, you've confused the user. You've given them bloatware on the mobile device. So we've got to keep it